In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add auto-generated captions to your YouTube videos using CapCut. Captions are a fantastic way to make your content more accessible to a wider audience, including those who might be watching in sound-sensitive environments or who are hard of hearing. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to import your full YouTube video into CapCut. It's as simple as opening the app and looking for the option to import your media. This should be one of the first options you see. You can either drag your video directly into the platform or use the File Upload option, depending on your preferred workflow. By importing your full video, you ensure that all the content that needs captions is included from the get-go. Once your video is successfully loaded into CapCut, look for the text options. Typically, this will be displayed in the editing toolbar or panel. Your goal here is to find the text menu, which is your gateway to adding captions. Under this menu, you'll see an option titled Auto Captions. Click on it to start working on your captions. This option is incredibly powerful because it saves you from the painstaking task of manually transcribing your entire video. Next, it's important to choose the correct spoken language. CapCut supports a variety of languages, so select the one that matches the language spoken in your video. This ensures that the software accurately transcribes what's being said, providing your audience with clear and correct subtitles. Double-check your choice here. A mismatched language can lead to inaccurate captions, which can be frustrating for your viewers. After selecting the correct language, it's time to click Generate to begin the process of generating captions for your video. This initiates CapCut's automatic transcription feature, and the software will work its magic to create captions in a matter of moments. While this is happening, take a moment to appreciate how much time you're saving compared to doing it all by hand. The duration of this step will vary depending on the length and complexity of your video, so be patient if it takes a little longer for larger files. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you've now added professional-looking auto captions to your video. This process not only enhances the viewing experience, but also broadens your content's reach by making it accessible to global audiences. Remember to review and fine-tune the captions if necessary to ensure they match up perfectly with your video. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.